Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to do a speaker test in case one of your speakers is not working. Now this video should apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, to do a walk around speaker test, first you have to access the hidden service menu. So what you will do, you will press the CD eject button and the right SIG button at the same time. So press them and keep holding them. And that will actually start the speaker test. And then after the test, you will enter the hidden menu. And then you can repeat the test if you would like to. Okay. Okay, and this test will go through all of the speakers in the vehicle. If you don't hear one of the speakers making a noise, in that case there is pretty much big chance that that speaker failed or there is a wiring problem towards the speaker. And now if you want to repeat the test, I will zoom in this menu. You want to select AHU Diagnostics, right? And here in this drop down menu you will see speaker walk around test. So select that and the test will go again. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.